YouTube? It's me again. Here's my vintage old Lincoln MIG. Here's a MIG welder here. It's old, it's out of date, it's probably not worth much. It does the job. Here's my big precision TIG one. Anyway, there's my two bottles. Problem I have is this bottle right here. I don't know, don't want to turn it sideways. This bottle right here is heavy. It's the big bottle. I have an aluminum block and some. I used to have a plasma cutter underneath, so it kind of offset the weight. So now I have a block of aluminum holding it, but it's still a little bit super heavy. They give you this tiny little hose here connected from the bottle. So what I did is I bought a slightly bigger hose, if you could see it right here. Right here is my 25-foot hose. I'm going to connect this hose to this machine, and I'm going to put the bottle on the wall, and I'm going to leave the machine on the cart, and this way maybe I could put some, I don't know, a bookshelf on the back or stereo, I don't know. Anyway, I'm not putting a bookshelf or a stereo on it. But anyway, you see my point. But the problem is this thing screws in the back of the, one of them screws in the back of the machine. Anyway, one screws in the back. They both spin. They're argon connectors. So here in Canada, a quick connect for the disconnect is almost 80-90 bucks. Went over the border, check out Welding supply. Ooh, $32. Screw it on there. Put either the quick connect either on the back of the machine or on the bottle, and voila. Plant the bottle on the side of the wall, run the hose from the wall to here, and whenever I need the bottles in the wall, it's easy to get. There's no chance of the bottle flipping over on me, because this thing almost flipped over once. So one of my little problems I took care of. So yeah, cost me $1 a foot, 25-foot hose. Mind you, I have to admit, the Canadian dealer here was pretty cheap with the hose. The standard little hose, just air, should work fine. No big deal. If it blows out on you, well, I'll bring it back to him. But yeah, all is good. But I mean, come on now, 32 bucks US for a quick connector over in the US, and again, what, almost 80-90 bucks. You'd probably pay 80-90 bucks if I paid tax for it. It'd be that much. It's crazy. Anyway, end of my video.